All right, for video number three, I am using Venngage, which is kind of a fancy infographics maker type program. It is completely free, and I just want to show you a little bit of what it looks like real quick. It almost looks kind of like Canva in some ways in its interface, and you can create different folders. There's different templates you can use. So let's act like we're going to create a new one here. And what I would use this for is a multitude of things. I would definitely use it for students to create nice visualizations of things. It could be anything from web graphics to graphic organizers to brainstorming type activities, as you can see in some of these here. Different things. There's also infographics they can make, posters, just all kinds of neat stuff. Um, the example I did would be for using this for a some type of professional development. And one of the things I kind of built was I made one about being a better teacher and what that would look like. And so created one that says how to be a better teacher and asking teachers to think about a couple of things they would like to change going into next year, looking at the why do they want to make those changes, what's the reason for that, and then how are they going to make those changes, and then creating an infographic, putting a picture of them in here, and then creating their own little, distinct individual changes that they would make going into next year. Just kind of a way to be reflective, to get teachers to think about, last year was rough for a lot of people. And so how would they change their classroom? Doesn't have to be just layout. What types of, instructional strategies would they use? What type of assignments? How could they bring more technology? How could they bring things like more student choice into their classrooms? And this would be one little poster that they could create for themselves, that they could put up in their classrooms to remind them of the different strategies that they're going to use to help make this year not just less stressful, but to make it a much better year overall. I found Venngage to be pretty interesting. It's pretty straightforward, and a lot of the stuff is honestly kind of simple and easy to use. And so it's something I would probably have students use in the classroom as well. The only issue I ran into is you only get 5 free designs. And so it's not while it is free, there's only a limited amount of free to it. So otherwise, I think it's a pretty cool product. And like I said, they got a lot of templates that are pre-made for all kinds of things. So definitely one worth checking out.